Thank you for watching this instructional video by Northern Concrete Pipe, demonstrating proper techniques and best practices for installing single offset and profile gaskets on concrete pipe. Always use joint lube supplied by Northern Concrete Pipe when installing gaskets. This lube has been tested on our products and gaskets specifically and proven to be the best performing joint lube for our joints. Mix lube thoroughly until any separated oils are fully reincorporated into the lube and product is consistent throughout the bucket. Pipe bells are prepared the same for all types of gaskets supplied by Northern Concrete Pipe. Start by sweeping out any dust or debris before applying lube. Next, apply lube to the bell. When applying lube to the bell, place an even and consistent layer to the full surface of the bell, but take care not to overlube the bell with too thick of a layer. Only about 1/8 of an inch thick is needed. Also, ensure the tapered leading edge of the bell is also lubed. Single offset gaskets are installed on a non-lubed spigot and are matched with a bell prepared as earlier instructed in the video. Start by sweeping off any dust or debris from the surface of the spigot. Next, install the gasket over the circumference of the spigot. These gaskets are installed with the ribbed edge of the gasket against the concrete and the flat back side of the gasket against the spigot offset. Once installed, insert a screwdriver or other rod without sharp edges under the gasket and pull the screwdriver around the full circumference of the spigot while remaining under the gasket. This ensures that all of the volume of the rubber is uniformly distributed around the full spigot. Perform this step 2 times. You can go twice in the same direction or switch directions in between. Then ensure that the gasket is pushed back and seated against the offset on the spigot. Additionally, as an optional step, you may also apply a small amount of lube to the front face of the gasket once installed and equalized. Confined gaskets are installed on a lube spigot and are matched with a bell prepared as earlier instructed in the video. Start by sweeping off any dust or debris from the surface of the spigot. Next, apply the lube to the full surface of the spigot. take care to ensure that the leading edge and inside of the gasket groove are both fully lubed. Lubing the groove is important to allow the O-ring style gasket to roll down when assembling the pipe. Also ensure that the gasket is fully lubed on the bottom side as well. Next, lube the gasket itself. When doing this step, make sure that the gasket does not make contact with the ground or other surfaces, as the debris will stick to the lube gasket and interfere with the joint seal. Then, install the gasket into the joint groove. Once installed, insert a screwdriver or other rod without sharp edges under the gasket and pull the screwdriver around the full circumference of the spigot while remaining under the gasket. This ensures that the volume of the rubber is uniformly distributed around the full spigot. And lastly, redistribute the joint lube that may have been wiped when equalizing over the gasket surface. Thank you for watching. For more information on gasket and pipe installation, please do not hesitate to contact Mike Nowitzki at area code 686-485-4279 or contact Northern Concrete Pipe Inc. at 989-892-3545 for any other questions or concerns.